have a strawberry margarita on the house. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be what is it gonna be? What is today's video? Today's video is gonna be about getting vacay ready. What's up, y'all? I know y'all probably kind of confused, like what is going on? Why are we seeing this video? Well, this was previously recorded and I put in a lot of hard work and time recording and edit this video, so I wasn't gonna let it go to waste. So y'all just sit back, relax, watch this, and I promise on Thursday we'll have a better video. Okay, love you guys. Continue watching. Peace. Okay, we need to be vacay ready. First of all, we need our nails done, we need our toes done, we need my eyebrows done, we need my eyelashes done. Maybe these strips, but I need some eyelashes. Okay, we need to get all of that done. I'm going on vacation very soon. I'm gonna take you guys along with me so you guys can see what it takes to get vacay ready, baby. Okay. Oh, y'all gonna say nothing? Look at my nails. First off, look at my nails. Horrible. Just don't get too close. Let me put you back. Don't get too close, okay? So right now I'm about to get ready and go get my nails done and get my toes done with my stepdad, and then I'm gonna do a little shopping because I'm not done packing yet. I'm gonna do a pack with me as well. So I didn't even tell y'all where I'm going. So I'm actually going to Florida with one of my best friends. That's you, Robin, girl. So we're going to Miss Patterson. Y'all know her as Miss Patterson. So we are going to Florida with her family for the weekend, and we're just gonna hang out. So I'm excited about that. So y'all ready? Are y'all ready? Are y'all ready? All right, let's go. Sup, YouTube? As you can see, your girl got some box braids. Y'all see this? I'm getting vacay ready. I really like these braids, but these are crochet box braids, so they ain't take me no time. And I know y'all want to see how I did it, so oh, I still need to get my nails done. About to go do that right now because I didn't go yesterday. What's up, YouTube? I'm here at Elite Spa getting my nails done. I have a strawberry margarita on the house. Complimentary with my nails. I'm being pampered and it feels amazing. So we are still getting vacay ready. I've got my hair done, my nails done, my toes done, eyebrows done, and I'm almost done. The last thing is to pack. So I'm about to show you my room. Please beware. Don't talk about me once you see my room. Just know I'm packing. So that's the last step. All we have to do is finish packing. So this is my room right now. It's kind of in shambles. So we're packing right now. So what I like to do is I like to lay out all of my outfits that I'm going to wear, even my sleep clothes, underwear, everything, and I just lay everything out on my bed so that I can see what I'm packing. So I'm just finna start packing and y'all gonna see what I bring. Y'all gonna see my outfits, y'all gonna see everything. So I'm going to Florida with Robin. So we're trying to leave today. Well, I think we're gonna take a stop in Mississippi before going all the way to Florida. We're actually driving. This is a road trip. Like I stated, y'all know I got ADHD, so I gotta keep myself occupied and entertained. So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna take y'all along with me, and yeah, so let's get started with packing. So let me try to hurry up and sit y'all down. First of all, we're supposed to be leaving here, or I need to meet them at their house at 6 o'clock. It's, oh, my text messages are out. Hold on. It is actually, what time is it? 4:38. So I actually need to hurry up and I need to be there at 6 o'clock. So let me go ahead and start packing and I'll come back. Alright guys, as you can see, I got all of my clothes and stuff packed away. So now the only thing that I have left is my restroom stuff. I'm going to pack that in the bag, and then yeah, I should be done with that. I should be done with everything, and I'll just clean up around the house, and then I should be ready to go. What time is it? I think I did that pretty fast. So yeah, me pulling out of my clothes, that really helped. So now it's only 4:44, and we need to get ready to go to Florida. Turn up, Florida. Turn up, Florida. Turn up, Florida. Turn up. Alright, so I forgot to let you guys know that I did have a little time to like do my eyelashes a little bit, because I just wanted to do something that was kind of semi-permanent while I'm on a trip, because I didn't want to have to do my makeup and stuff. So I did like put a little falsy lashes on, and these are the ones that I use. Oh well, this is the packaging. What's it called? It's by Kiss. It's the premium ultra black knot free long lashes. So that, I don't know if y'all can see how long they are. They put it long now. Okay, so yeah, and then I did use the Mega Hold individual lash glue, also by Kiss. I got this from my local beauty supplies. So did I get the lashes as well. So yeah, I had a little time to pop these little puppies on, and I should be getting ready to leave soon. So yeah, like I said, I'll see y'all later. Alright, friends and family, now that we're done with this video, I'm all glammed out and I'm ready for the vacation and ready to have some fun. We have everything packed. I'm glam ready. So that's it for this video. So if you like what you saw, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace. Oh, Sasha want to say bye too. Bye bye. Peace.